This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you the quick way to make a copy in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is a very simple sheet that I have in Google Sheets. I want to make a copy, and on the copy, I want to format it differently. This is how to do it. So go to File, Make a Copy. This is the browser-based version of Google Sheets. Doesn't matter whether you're using Mac, Windows, Chromebook. It will always work this way. So you'll be prompted to give a new name to it. So I'm just going to call this ASINs Red. Make a copy. Also, if you want to, you can share it with the same people or copy comments. So I'm just going to leave those unchecked and make a copy. So it's churning. Okay. Here's the new version, the new copy of that particular sheet. It got smaller, but not really. It's basically just because this version I have zoomed in, and this version is not zoomed in. So if I wanted to make that look the same, I could just do that to make it a little bit easier to read. So the first thing I'm going to do is just change this. So I want to change the background color from blue to red. So I've selected the row, go to the fill color tool, and then select red. Okay, so there's the red version. There's the blue version. Both of them exist in Google Sheets. You can do other changes if you want, so you can have two different versions going on. You can share one, not share the other, etc. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, I've written a book about Google Drive, Docs, Sheet Slides, Forms, Sites, Drawing, all these other tools within the Google suite of applications. It's called Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz to learn more about that, as well as the cheat sheets that exist for the specific applications. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.